Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome for the first time. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hairstyle. Now originally when I was browsing through YouTube, I was looking for holiday hairstyle and I came across Missy Sue is her name, and I really liked it, and I thought to myself, wait a minute, this could also double as a wedding hairstyle. So this is kind of a twofer because I'm going to get this up before Christmas. So if you're also searching for some last minute styles, then keep on watching this video. Also, don't forget, if you want to see how she did it on her hair, then please, I'll have the her link in the description box. Go check her video out. I was especially interested to see how this style looks on my hair because her hair in her video is way longer, and I wanted to see if I can make this style work on my length of hair. I'm also trying something that I never thought I would ever try in my life, never thought I would ever need it. Actually, I really don't need it, but if you guys watch my straightening my natural hair video, I will link that in the description box as well. You know, at night I use this on the ends of my hair and massage a little bit into my scalp. Well, I went overboard. I went a little bit overboard, but I didn't want to wash my hair again. So I actually tried dry shampoo for the first time. I got this. It's this brand. It's the Argan Oil of Morocco dry shampoo. Let me tell you something. It works, oddly enough. I'm not crazy about the ingredients. There's a lot of stuff that I can't pronounce, but this was like, I don't know, I just wanted to try it, so I picked this up at Target, and it smells so good. It smells like really clean and fresh. So I think I would actually recommend this if you, first of all, if you're not a stickler like I am about ingredients and chemicals. If you are, just skip past this part. But it does work. If you have gone overboard on like oils or heavy greasy products like I did, then this really soaks it up. But I wouldn't recommend, like for our hair, because it gets so dry, especially at the ends, I wouldn't recommend leaving this on too long, like going between washing and conditioning too long, because it does soak up all the oil. But what I did was pretty much just spray it towards the root and do a shake like that just so it can really absorb. I didn't do it on the ends because you know the ends are like our driest part, so I really just concentrated it towards the root, and it really did soak up the oil, but my hair doesn't feel crunchy. That's what I was scared about, but I actually like this. So enough of that. I just want to give you like the behind the stories prep of what I did to give my hair a little more volume and fullness, because it was really stringy and oily before I started this video. So now that you know the backstory, let's get into the style. So this is a style, you guys. It kind of reminds me of the styles that I used to do years ago when I first started YouTube. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're staying safe and have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I will see you in the next video. Bye.